I am retired Lieutenant Colonel E.T. Banerjee Das. I have an institution, Create Future World, where I am teaching and doing some activities to support for better world. So one of the activity is Abacus. So I have franchisee from Anya Abacus. That's a division of Anya Career Education, where the management head is Sachin Panse sir and Rohini Panse ma'am. She is teaching Abacus. So I have taken franchisee and I have started my own class to teach Abacus. Though I was in army, I never thought that I can teach like this. It was so difficult for me to stand in front of camera, give speech in front of so many people. But today I am able to teach so many children and I am effortlessly talking to the parents. So it is really amazing for me to learn Abacus and teach. But how I became interested, of course, I should tell you that my son, I thought, let my son learn from Anya Abacus. So Rohini teacher was teaching at that time. I have observed the difference, the improvement in my son, and when I was taking his oral sums and mental sums, I became so much interested, and then I started inquiring about the franchisee. So I got it and I learned, and now I can tell you that management is excellent because the support system is too good. You will get support 100% because I know I have the experience since last 2 years. Now, if I have to tell you more about the franchisee, then I must say the fee structure. I have gone through so many, I have seen so many other companies, but the fees in this institution, that is Anya Abacus, is much less than any other company franchisee. So anyone can afford, that is very important. So if you have to start any business, you need money, you need to invest. So here the investment of your money is really negligible. But what you have to invest is your time, and you have to invest your little bit of interest. You must know why you should do. If your why is clear, then you are very much ready to take franchisee from Anya Abacus. And I can assure you, you will not have any problem because the support system is excellent. Now, if I have to tell you what all changes I have after taking the franchisee, what all changes? Now I became much more confident than before. Though being in army, I was confident, but public speaking was my problem. So that I got, and discipline. I was disciplined, but managing house and managing workplace is entirely different. Now I can manage my house, I can manage my family, I can see my children's education as well as everything, and I am able to handle the students of Abacus. So it is very important for me to tell you that I have learnt time management much more better than anything else. So this is what I can tell you, and you can decide, or you can just think of taking Anya Abacus if you are interested to earn some amount in sitting in your home, some amount in the beginning, but later on you can really build your own business, a huge business, only through Anya Abacus. Thank you.